Have you ever wondered how ancient ruins, rich with history, can breathe new life into contemporary architectural masterpieces? Let's journey to Hampi, a UNESCO World Heritage Site where the past meets the future in a groundbreaking creative space. Situated amidst the sculpted hills of Vijayanagar district in Karnataka, Hampi Art Labs is an initiative by the JSW Foundation and designed by Sameep Padora and Associates. Sangeeta Zindal, the co-founder of JSW Foundation, decided to set up Hampi Art Labs, the first of its kind artistic center. She was inspired by her mother Urmila Kanoria, founder of one of the first residency programs in India, Kanoria Arts Center, and by her affinity towards Hampi since her first visit. Inspired by the landscape of Hampi and the riverine contours of Tungabhadra, Hampi Art Lab spans an expansive 9-acre plot with a project area of 5 acres. The center's flowing design pays tribute to its natural surroundings through its organic forms and use of locally sourced materials. The site and its surroundings inspire artists and visitors. However, doesn't the composition of spaces in this barren site, especially on such a huge scale, strike a sense of curiosity? The design form takes its inspiration from the scattered rocky monuments and the river flow, connecting to the movement of people through the site. As you walk through the entry court, you're greeted by an open-air gallery that breathes with the spirit of creativity, a serene cafe where ideas flow as freely as conversation, and a grand pavilion that sets the stage for communal gatherings. The residences, resembling boulders scattered in a riverbed, are designed with thicker walls to insulate against Hampi's scorching summers and mimic the region's ancient stone structures, blending the old with the new. 10 spaces have been creatively planned in 3 courtyards, providing each artist with natural breeze and cross-ventilation. Given the different disciplines of the artists in residence, a sense of community is created where learning is mutual. Looking at the distinctive curved red facade, let's know more about the varied materials behind the structural forms. The use of native materials in modern fluid form highlights the overall design intent. The redness of the unique facade comes from red iron ore, processed in the nearby JSW factory to create steel. The local wild grass on the landscaped roof, accessible to visitors, controls the internal temperature. The overall landscape design reflects a material approach with paths of stabilized pebbles, recycled stone mosaics, paving blocks compressed from slug waste, and local planting from the region. The interesting part is that the structure's formwork was cast using soil excavated from the site itself. Moreover, the leftover excavated soil was used to create landscape berms, promoting sustainability. Hampi Arts Lab celebrates the Indian art realm and the region's artisanal legacy. With the natural context on point, each space reflects the surrounding settings. The building seamlessly blends with the landscape, fulfilling the design idea. As we stand at the intersection of history and modern design, Hampi Arts Lab invites us to ponder how we can preserve the past while paving the way for the future. Let us know in the comments what inspires you most about this blend of art, architecture, and heritage. Hope you enjoyed this video. For more such breathtaking projects, do subscribe to our YouTube channel The Architect's Diary. Also, don't forget to like, share and comment.